Secretary All India Congress Committee Zenit Sangma hakala sing ublay ula dawa bag sarkar jela kadai ban penpau Kyrteng ya kitu Kiba ya kejingpang COVID-19 hak jela. Namar bakat kum ke Epidemic Diseases Act kat praspa kendai punyo kalapun kok bor ke sarkar jela ban le ya kebadon kam. Zenit Sangma bekran beginang patai kubor hatura ulong bag World Health Organization kalapun bena bag kejingpang COVID-19 kadai ka pandemic ne ka klam. Bag sarkar India kal itu ke ka klam kum kejinglen shop. Unu hek Seng Kongres ula kentho ek sarkar jela kamtam yusumbut menteri rang ba jela halor kajing bam Pynbna ke Kyrteng Kiba ek jing pang COVID-19 bar ula ong kalong kebadan kam ban Pynbna pat ba ke Kyrteng Kiba ek klam bat kat kum ke Epidemic Diseases Act kat praspa kandak punyo ada ke sarkar ke Pynbna ki Kyrteng kan om ngat aki kam makot duma jong yang bisar namar kajing im ba ka koi ka kya kawan akhmat e uang ba kajing Pynbna Kyrteng kan nerap shibun banele persya ke ka klam namar kajing ekon ni ka klam kam de kajing ekon tang jong ke sarkar marwehi Hendrai Kibreo baro kita ni kejingkit klik bani kon persya ya kena ka klam.
So let me ask Mr. Kyrteng, under which provision of law they are curtailing the rights of the citizen? Under which provision of the law they are restricting the movements of the citizens, including the interstate movements? That is nothing but by invoking the provision of the Epidemic Diseases Act 1897 only. Because under the provision of this act, the authority is immune from any judicial scrutiny. That is why we should always know that the life and the health should be our priority. Therefore, I reiterate again that disclosing the names of those people who are having COVID positive will rather help us in fighting this dreaded virus. This fight against the coronavirus is not only the fight of the government alone. Every individual across the globe are responsible in fighting against this virus.